Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty savage day today when you stop and think about the fact of how things started off. And the way things started off was a very impressive gap up. I mean, the price opened up all the way there, but then after that, it was basically all selling pressure the rest of the day, and down it went. So is this a good-looking chart? Is it a bad-looking chart? Well, that all depends on your perspective, meaning if you are some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well, then from that perspective, yeah, the chart looks really, really bad for you. If you care about the bigger picture point of view, then yes, as I've already mentioned, there's been a big pullback. However, from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's why this low here is, I'm not going to call it a do or die level, but certainly a very important area down here at the $33 mark. Because let's say, and I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say the price actually does pull back here, goes to 33, behaves in that manner, then works its way back upwards. What would you have here? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows down here. And if you envision, and you have a low right there, if you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 33. Again, I'm well aware if you're a day trader and you bought right there, then you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So yeah, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days as you're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.